Local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Well, folks, we have a local alert weather day today for the heat, tomorrow for the thunderstorms. So let's get to it. Show you the Prineville Reservoir. Good place to go out and try to beat the heat. The water's cool, but the air was hot. Temperatures in the mid-90s in the Prineville Reservoir area there in Crook County. So this is what we're tracking, this persistent heat, possibly even record heat again tomorrow. We had some records today. We had records over the weekend. I'll have those for you coming up at 5 o'clock on NBC. Storms expected Tuesday. That's the other concern. So we've issued a local alert weather day for Tuesday because of the intensity of these storms. We've got 97 degrees right now in both Bend and Redmond. We have 14-mile-an-hour winds. Relative humidity is single digits. It is extremely dry out there, folks. The lower the number of in that relative humidity column, the drier the air. This is like Phoenix type of heat, so be mindful of, do not light anything on fire. It is tinder dry. We got a quick drop down into the 60s by midnight, and we will level off in the 60s as we go into the wee hours of the morning. That's a mild night, but after these high temperatures today, and these are right now the high temperatures as well as the current temperatures because we're still heating up. So I'll give you the high temperatures again at 5:30. See that number just went up or just changed in Madras from 97 to 95. So it's still a fluid temperature reading profile here, but that's a 101 that jumps out at you there up in Warm Springs. Here's what we expect tonight for lows, 50s and 60s, so mild overnight. Normal high is 72, so we're only going to be about 11 degrees below the afternoon high during the overnight hours. Future track highs tomorrow will bring back the 90s for Bend, Redmond, Prineville, Madras, and Warm Springs, and upper 80s for everyone else. Now we have a local alert weather day issued for tomorrow. It's not for the heat, even though it's going to be hot. These are for afternoon thunderstorms with gusty winds and some small hail. Here is a look at the Storm Prediction Center. They have placed us in the marginal risk, although that's the lowest level of severe weather possible. It is still a level of severe weather, but it's also a very small sliver of our viewing area. We are basically going to be in line for some isolated thunderstorms with small hail and gusty winds. Of course, rain and lightning. Other concern is the dry lightning, so that is a concern for us at this tinder dry time of our day and of our region, actually. Satellite radar, we have those showers and storms in Northern California and in through portions of Nevada. Future track does indicate to us that we are going to be seeing those showers stay to the south, but tomorrow in the morning we see these clouds migrating into the area. By 1 o'clock tomorrow in the afternoon, we start to see a little bit more of these isolated storms popping up in the heat of the day, and that is often the case when it is this hot. At 6 o'clock, we see them in eastern Deschutes, southern Crook County, and that should be about it. There'll be another shot of storms early Wednesday morning. I think that'll be mainly rain because it'll be much cooler, but we are in line for some stormy weather. And again, here's what's going on. Ridge of high pressure to the south. Hot air is coming in and setting up camp as it has set up camp. Warm and breezy on Wednesday. There's no games this week at all. We have 74 on Friday, and then we have plenty of sunshine and breezy conditions on Sunday. That's a look at your local alert weather.